Ka MLA ka Kong Santa Mary Shylla haka arpu pratrik nailar haringkat ka jinsenran lang u Deputy Commissioner S Avasti IAS u SDO Sadar M Kumar IAS u BDO Kalumshnong ma M Kendan u Additional SP ma S Paslen ki nongelam shnong bat ki sahib sarkar kala pelong ka Jurip ka babnia ki project school ki badang ya Shakman ki surak bat jaka ya lekai. Ha kane ka jingle Jurip ka Kong Santa Mary Shylla kala pentikna ya ka jingpen bha penmet klo ya ka government LP school ka badan Ratacherra. Kala le jungok ru ya ka school Wellington Jungal Memorial Secondary School bat bishar benia ya ka jingshakri Ratacherra sub center. Nalor kata kala Jurip ru ya ka jingshna ya ka madan ya lekai futsal ka badang ya Shakmat hapo ka District Mineral Fund DMF kebalak mi lenti ba onla ban pendap no hapo shibnai. Kat ba haduna skur kala le Jurip ya ka project jong ka RMSA Secondary School kat ba hawa ko kala le jungo ya ka Areca Nut Plate Making Unit kebala baiting ka da katarat basin. Ha Umkiang ka Kong Shylla kala ya keren bagi doktor kumju kinong tre ha ka PHC bat penpaw ya ka jingkmen halur ka jingpen thamai bala pendap hapo ka DMF. Kala ai ru ka jingaro ya ka jingtre ha Sonapyrdi sub center. Ka Kong Shylla kala Jurip shushu ya ka jaka ban shna ya ka jingkiang kejan bala thmu ban shna halur ka wa lukha ha Sonapyrdi bat bishar benia ru ya ka jingtre maramat ya ka surak NH6 kentup ha kuliang wa ko Ratacherra. Kihe sarkar kala pentip bala dam prapo pesan na ka jingtre bala bu ban pendap ha ubnai no pra arzar pesan. Hadian ka Jurip ka MLA kala ong baka yo men sim ban yo iya ka jingad bed ka jing pentre ki project kentup ki jaka puli ka kot ka kya ki jaka ya lekai ringkat nginte ya ka lawe ka babha na ka bentai ki brio jongi kala benram.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shriya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.